Hi guys, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, paragraph writing. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you a definition of paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences organized around a central topic. In fact, the cardinal rule of paragraph writing is to focus on one idea. Here I have shared the basic parts of paragraph. A paragraph must have three parts. The first one is a topic sentence and following supporting sentence and finally a concluding sentence. The first sentence of a paragraph is the topic sentence, and it tells your readers what the paragraph is about. It serves as the glue for the entire paragraph. The supporting sentences are the meat of your paragraph. In any sort of academic or technical writing, this is where most of your argument is presented, and the supporting sentences will be related to the topic sentence, and most of the arguments will be presented in the supporting sentences. And in the supporting sentences, first you can present evidence or facts that support both your topic sentence and your overall paper topic. But evidence alone is not very compelling. You can extend your point by offering further explanation and description. You can give specific examples or make comparisons in the supporting sentences. And finally, concluding sentence. Your paragraph will usually have a concluding sentence. A concluding sentence ties up your paragraph with a neat little bow. It should tie back to your topic sentence or back to the topic of the paper as a whole. It is like sum up. We will give overall sum up in the concluding sentence. In order to write a good paragraph, students need to understand the four essential elements of paragraph writing and how each element contributes to the whole. The four elements essential to good paragraph writing are unity, order, coherence, and completeness. Element number one, unity. Unity in a paragraph begins with the topic sentence. Every paragraph has one single controlling idea that is expressed in its topic sentence, which is typically the first sentence of the paragraph. Element 2, order. Order refers to the way you organize your supporting sentences. We will give some order to our paragraph. Element 3, coherence. Coherence is the quality that makes your writing understandable. Sentences within a paragraph need to connect to each other and work together as a whole. We all know in a paragraph each sentences must have some connectivity. And element 4 is completeness. Completeness means a paragraph is well developed in all sentences, clearly and sufficiently support the main idea. Then your paragraph is complete. Here I have given you few exercises. Write a paragraph on my aim in life, my first day at college, corruption, my hobby, the pleasures of reading. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.